How to reserve a company name. In this video, I'll be showing us how we can reserve a company name either for ourselves or for our clients. If you are registering a company name, I believe as you are watching this video, this might be your first time of watching this video on how to reserve a company name. So let's go deep into it. All you need to do is to get that name, and before you could reserve a name, you would have done name search, which I have explained in the previous video before this one. So right now, you go to where you have new reservation, click on where you have business classification here, click on the arrow down. It will pop up this interface for you where you have business name, company, limited partnership, and limited liability partnership. For the purpose of this reservation, we are reserving a company name. So you pick company. Then you come to where you have business type and click on that arrow down again. It will pop up this box for you. In the first interface, you are going to see private company limited by shares. Private unlimited company, that is the next one. Then the third one is public company limited by shares. While the fourth and which is the last one is public unlimited company. So out of these four lists that you have, which one are you picking? We are going for the first one, in as much as you are registering a 1 million share. So once you pick that, you click on continue. It will load up and bring this box that is down below for you. So in this box, you are going to fill the other details, which is the name that the person gave you to reserve. Put out the name in capital letter here. So here is the name the person gave to me. Then the next interface is where you have nature of business category. You are going to pick the nature of business that your clients gave to you. So click on this arrow. It will load up and you look for any related nature of business that your client has given to you. So for the case of this reservation, we look for anything fashion, entails fashion and other services. Other service activity and general merchandise. And here you pick general merchandise / procurement and click on check availability. It will load up to synchronize for you. Don't forget, what we are doing here is we are reserving a company name. It says what? Congratulations, the proposed name blah 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 limited is available for registration. You click on continue and it will load up and tick that name, which means you have picked that name. So now you click on continue to payment for you to go and make your payments. Once you get to this place, it will indicate that you make the payment, and make sure you screenshot this remitter or you copy it and save it somewhere. You can just screenshot with your phone functioning, or you click on this copy icon beside this 455 number. You can see I've copied it like that and copy it somewhere. Should in case there is something you need to use it for clarifications. Yes, it do comes like that sometimes. So the next thing is to click on remitter and it will load up and take you to the station where you will need to get the account number you are paying to. You can see we are paying 1,000 naira. So if you get to this place, it's going to display for you to pick the bank, the where you want to send your money. Is it through card, through bank transfer, or you want to use USSD, or you want to use any e-naira, bank branch, remitter, wallet, phone number, anything you want to use. So in my own case, I prefer using bank transfer. So you can choose any one of your choice. If you want to use the card, you can see it has brought out account number for me, and I will be paying the amount, which is 1,161 naira 25 kobo. So in 30 minutes time, this account number will no more function. So what you need to do is you make sure you are doing this when you are ready to make payments. So you copy, you can see I have long pressed on my home. You also long press your own and click on copy. Then you take that account number to your bank app to go and make payments. So for the payment part, you can see the name that is going to show is remitter checkout. Then your bank name will be Cash Connect MFB, and the amount you are paying is 1,161 naira 25 kobo. This particular amount should not exceed what you will pay. Exactly what you have here, 1,161 naira 25 kobo. So I will go and make the payments now. You can see it has brought it out, Cash Connect Microfinance Remitter Checkout. So you click on next and make your payment of 1,161 naira 0.25, which is 25 kobo. You can see I've received the alert, transfer successful. Now you navigate back to the portal to where you are registering from, and it will synchronize. You can see it has said payment successful, and voila, our availability code has been given to us. So we have successfully reserved this company name as it is. In our next video, we will look into how to register the business in full. So stay tuned as we move into that. But before then, if you have watched to this extent and you are yet to like, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so as to get notified each time I drop new videos. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.